How to say who viewed my Instagram video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video I will show you how you can see and find out who viewed your Instagram video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if I go ahead and open up Instagram and then you come to your profile page, and let's say that you have posted a specific video over here. So once I open up that video, you can see 163 views, and if I want to find the people who viewed this video, I'll need to tap on the 163 views button, but then you can find the option called views and likes. You can see 163 views and then 24 likes, and Instagram is only going to show you a list of 24 people who has liked the video, and if it means that they've liked the video, it also means that they've basically viewed it. But if you're trying to find the number of people that actually went ahead and viewed your other video and then without liking it, currently Instagram does not offer this feature. Previously we had the option to see our viewers, so which means that even if they didn't like our video, we only had the option to find out who viewed as well. But as of right now, after the IGTV has been removed and all of the updates, Instagram now does not offer you a solution to find out who viewed your video. That is simply how it is going to work. As long as they have liked it, you'll be able to find their name on the list, but if they haven't liked your video, then you'll not be able to find out if they have viewed your video or not. And that's all it takes to find out who viewed your Instagram video, only if you know that they've liked your video as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.